don't know
fucking
shit
day.
about trust, okay? You don't. You the one who went to New York and
I used to
fucked
think
old boy,
love was blind,
came back here and hung out with my boys, partying.
but
and
now
shit.
I know
What is that? You want to
it's
talk
me.
about trust?
You acted like you didn't even care that I went to New York.
Cause when you are in love with them,
This shit is for the birds, man.
switching up is just something you can't see.
I don't even know what the fuck you talking. What? Look, you know
And
what?
love ain't make excuses for
Both
you.
of us a real big favor.
I
Come
did.
over to my crib and get your shit.
You didn't
Why don't
mind
you wanna be with somebody you
wasting
don't
the
trust?
opportunity to love me,
You gotta deal with this shit.
but you took every chance you got to show me you hate me. And the person you paint me out to be, I know it ain't me. I used to think you were beautiful, but now I know beauty is something you can't see. I was trying to fix you
I guess that's everything.
while you were watching me break. I wanted to take you with me, but you just wanted to take. I used to see forever with you. Now I see you as just for the moment with you.
I never stopped thinking about you.
I want us to be together again. For as long as we can be.
As usual, your timing couldn't be worse. You always want what you want when
I'm so happy.
Why is everything so urgent?
Let me tell you something. This here, right now, at this very moment, is all that matters to me. I love you. That's urgent like a motherfucker.
How do we do this?
I don't know.
I live in New York.
I don't care.
Alright, so what's the first step?
Let's start by getting out of this rain.
I used to think love was blind, but now I know that I am. It was me not choosing to see. Because love sees everything. It's just me that decides to deprive myself from sight. But love sees all things.